severe thunderstorm warning for south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, west central Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Barnesville, or 21 miles east of Greeley, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Jackson Reservoir, Orchard, Riverside Reservoir, and Goodrich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rain is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.